Solar panels are devices that use the power of the sun to generate electricity. They're made up of many small solar cells, which are typically made of silicon and other materials. When sunlight hits the solar cells, it excites the electrons within them and creates a flow of electricity. This flow of electricity is then captured by the solar panels and sent to an inverter, which converts the DC electricity generated by the panels into AC electricity that can be used in your home or business. AC electricity is like when you swing on a swing, you go back and forth, back and forth. DC electricity is like when you slide down a slide, you only go one way. AC is what you use when you turn on the lights at home, and DC is what powers the batteries in your toys. In addition to their use in generating electricity, solar panels can also be used to heat water from residential and commercial buildings. This is done through a solar thermal system which uses the energy from the sun to heat a fluid that is then used to heat water. Overall, solar panels are a great way to harness the power of the sun and generate clean, renewable energy. Tell me in comment section below what you'd like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.